Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you one of my absolute faves, which is a good old speed clean with me around my apartment. Now I'm starting off in the bedroom this time, as I'm kind of trying to do this because I always start in the kitchen and the lounge, and then by the time it gets to the bedroom and the bathroom I just can't be bothered. So first things first is to make my bed, and then I use this Lenor Crease releaser in the scent Spring Awakening, and it just makes the bed smell so fresh. And then moving on to just tidying up around my bedroom, and then I'm going to be hoovering and polishing down all of the work surfaces. Now I'm going to be going in here with my absolute favourite polish. This is actually nearly run out, to be fair. This is the Power Force multi-surface polish from Aldi. I think it was like 89p. It is so good, works just as well as Mr. Sheen, but it's basically half the price. And yes, I've just kind of gone over that chest of drawers there and popped everything back. Just after I filmed this entire speed clean with me and kind of deep clean apartment, I did actually go through all of my items in my bedroom. So I went through all of the clothes in the drawers and the wardrobes, and kind of had a bit of a massive clear out and reorganised everything into boxes. So, and I have got a new bed as well, so sorry if it looks a little bit cluttered in this video, but it has all since now gone. Right, moving on to the kitchen now, I'm going to be putting away all of the washing up that I did the night before, and then emptying the dishwasher, and then unfortunately reloading it again because it just never seems to stop. I am going to be washing up a few other items as well that can't really go in the dishwasher, that aren't suitable, and sometimes our dishwasher intermittently works, so there are some items that I have to re-wash again just because the stains are a little bit ingrained and the dishwasher can't quite get to them. Also, apologies for my outfit of choice today. I'm actually wearing my old sixth form Leavers like rugby shirt. Now, I told my friends from Manchester that when we left sixth form we got a rugby shirt rather than a hoodie, and they thought that was very posh. So I don't know why I decided to put it on to film this, but yes, if you're wondering what it is, it's a Leavers rugby shirt from my sixth form from 2014, which I can't believe is 7 years ago this year, which makes me feel so old. Now, moving on to the coffee machines, I'm going to be emptying out all of the compartments and giving them a good clean, and then using just the Stardrops white vinegar spray to wipe down the machine, as this contains mainly natural ingredients, so it's not going to cause irritating chemicals to kind of abrade that metal. And my brother is very protective of his machine, so this unfortunately is all I can use as well. And then moving on to my appliances, I'm going with my good old elbow grease on the toaster and the kettle, not the kettle, and the microwave, as this I find really, really buffs them up. And this is a little Mrs. Hinch hack as well.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So going over to the kitchen table now, I'm going to be using my favourite Astonish window and glass cleaner to give this a good old clean.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Now, I picked up this Zolfora in a recent B&M haul of mine. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It's meant to smell like the Jo Malone Rose Noir candle, but I just think it smells of roses and it just smells amazing. So I'm going to use this all over the work surfaces to wipe them down. To my hob now, I'm going to be using my two favourite products for this. I'm going to be using the Pink Stuff multi-purpose spray and then the Sif stainless steel spray as well. I kind of use the Pink Stuff first to get off any of the really tough stubborn stains, and then I'll use the Sif stainless steel spray afterwards to make sure it's nice and shiny. So moving into the lounge now, I'm going to be going back in with my favourite Aldi polish and going over all of the surfaces in the lounge. Yes, I was watching the Camel Fat set from Greenfields 2019 and making myself really sad. There's not likely going to be any festivals this year. But yeah, that is what I'm moving on to next. So moving into the bathroom now, I'm going to be using my absolute favourite Flash bathroom liquid in the bath, and I just kind of dollop this all in the bath, run some hot water, take my pretend minky and then kind of wipe it all down, and it just leaves the bathroom smelling so fresh. I also picked up in my most recent B&M haul the bathroom spray version, and that is what I'm going to be using on the sink, and it's just, I find it so much easier to use on the sink rather than the liquid. So yeah. Moving on to actually cleaning my toilet now, I'm going to be using these Astonish toilet bowl cleaner tablets. So what you do is you just pop one in and then leave it in for 20 minutes. I'm going to be using the Harpic toilet gel in Tropical Blossom, I think it is, and this is a new product of mine again. So this is from the brand Bloo, and it's like this toilet foam that you pour into the toilet and then you leave it for 20 minutes, and it just makes the whole toilet smell so fresh. Then going back to the massive mirror that we have in our bathroom and using the Astonish window and glass cleaner to completely freshen it up. And now going back to the toilet while I'm waiting for those products to kind of start working and breaking down any lime scale and dirt. I'm going to be going in with just some Antibacterial Wipes to clean the toilet because I find this the most hygienic way to do it. And then using the actual toilet brush to give the inside of a bowl a really good clean. And there we go, guys, that is the finished cleaned flat. I hope you guys all have enjoyed. This is one of my favourite videos to kind of film and edit, and I absolutely love cleaning, so yeah, I could just film these all day every day. But if you have enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a little like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There will be plenty more cleaning videos to come. Hope you guys all have enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.